There are a lot of builders that want to build your home, but here at America's Home Place, we distinguish ourselves with our customer service. My name's Angelica Young here at America's Home Place in Conroe, Texas. Our goal is to serve our customers, to create raving fans. We're here for them. We're a team. We're part of their family. We want to be there with them through this journey. They'll plan out everything for their home, from cabinets to countertops to tile color. I know it's a lot of things for them to choose in one meeting in one day. So we definitely try to help them find that vision and make it everything that they want. Here in the Conroe location, we have a design area, a master bedroom, bathroom, shower, closets that are all kind of set up to show you what it would be like in a real home. So we try to show everybody around and make sure that they feel at home, that they see all of the different elements and design aspects that we're able to provide for them. And then, of course, a lot of our customers bring us stuff from Pinterest as well. So we try to let them know that if they do have a dream that's something not here, we would be able to accommodate that. After the design meeting, there is a quiet period of about 2 weeks before our customers go into the final review. So something that we do differently is we call our customers every week. We give them any updates that we have, and then we ask them, do y'all have any questions right now during the process? We just try to touch base with them, make sure that they know that we're taking care of their needs, that we're here for them if they need anything. Our customers decide to build with America's Home Place because we provide them the above and beyond customer service that they might not have known that they were looking for, but they found in us. If you were to come into America's Home Place, you would feel welcome. You can expect to see friendly faces. You can expect to be greeted as if you're home. If you want to learn more about building your custom home, visit us at americashomeplace.com. Be sure to check out our social media and comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube.